In today's fast-paced digital world, many individuals are looking for quick and effective ways to achieve success. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or someone seeking financial independence, choosing the right business model can make all the difference. While both drop shipping and affiliate marketing offer opportunities for online income generation, drop shipping emerges as the clear winner when it comes to achieving quick success. In this article, we will explore why drop shipping is a superior choice over affiliate marketing and how it can help you reach your goals faster. Immediate control and ownership. One of the key advantages of drop shipping is that it allows you to have immediate control and ownership over your business. Unlike affiliate marketing where you promote products or services owned by others, in drop shipping, you are responsible for selecting and sourcing your own products. This means that every decision regarding pricing, branding, customer service, and product selection lies solely in your hands. Higher profit margins. Drop shipping offers higher profit margins compared to affiliate marketing. When promoting other people's products as an affiliate marketer, you only receive a commission on each sale made through your referral link. On the other hand, with drop shipping, since you set your own prices when selling products from suppliers at wholesale prices on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce stores, therefore allowing room for significant profit margins. Enhanced customer experience. With drop shipping comes greater control over customer experience, something that sets it apart from affiliate marketing significantly. As a drop shipper running your own e-commerce store or platform-based storefronts, such as Amazon, you have direct contact with customers throughout their purchasing journey, from browsing to post-purchase support, enabling better communication and personalized experiences tailored to their needs. Scalability potential. Drop shipping offers tremendous scalability potential due to its inherent flexibility compared to affiliate marketing models where growth is limited by the products or services offered by the affiliate programs. As a drop shipper, you can easily expand your product range, target new markets, and scale your business without any major constraints. This scalability potential makes drop shipping an ideal choice for those seeking quick success. Diverse marketing opportunities. When it comes to marketing opportunities, drop shipping takes the lead over affiliate marketing. With drop shipping, you have complete control over your marketing strategies and can explore various channels such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, email marketing campaigns, and search engine optimization, SEO. This diversity allows you to reach a wider audience and increase brand visibility, ultimately leading to quicker success. Minimal financial investment. Starting a drop shipping business requires minimal financial investment compared to affiliate marketing where building an online presence may involve additional costs such as website development or paid advertising campaigns. With drop shipping, there's no need for upfront inventory purchases or warehousing expenses since products are shipped directly from suppliers when orders are placed, making it an accessible option for individuals with limited capital. Quick setup and launch. Unlike affiliate marketing that often involves complex processes like obtaining approval from different programs or networks before promoting their products, services, setting up a drop shipping business is relatively quick and straightforward. With platforms like Shopify offering user-friendly interfaces and pre-built templates specifically designed for e-commerce stores, launching your own store becomes hassle-free, allowing you to start generating sales in no time. In conclusion, if you're looking for quick success in the online world of entrepreneurship, choosing drop shipping over affiliate marketing proves to be a wise decision due to its immediate control and ownership benefits along with higher profit margins, enhanced customer experiences through direct communication channels with customers throughout their journey on top of scalability potential without limitations imposed by others' offerings, all while requiring minimal financial investment thanks largely due its accessibility factor combined with diverse yet manageable marketing opportunities available at hand. So why waste time? Embrace drop shipping today and pave your way to quick success.